Are you a leader in your industry or maybe you are an entrepreneur at nararamdaman mo na medyo naburn-out ka na? You are working really hard achieving your goals and dreams. You probably have a lot of achievement, pero parang hindi ka pa rin masaya, hindi fulfilled, and maybe you lost the meaning. And you probably already know right now that your emotions, your state, your mental, your emotional, your physical state, meron siyang malaking epekto sa decisions mo. Kaya naman nagkakamali ka ng decisions, nagkakamali ka sa pag-handle ng mga tao, kasi baka hindi mo na rin ma-handle yung sarili mo. And maybe you would agree that happiness is important. But wait, I'm not talking about the happiness na dapat lagi tayong masaya, na dapat lagi lang tayong tamad, lagi tayong nagpapahinga, lagi tayong nanonood ng movie, lagi tayong distracted. I'm not talking about the short-term happiness. I'm talking about long-term sustainable happiness, having a fulfilling and meaningful life. And maybe you can use that level of happiness as fuel to do more and achieve more. Because I'm here to tell you, if you want to become a multi-millionaire and you want to sustain your success, you have to love what you do. Kailangan masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Because if you know the formula for happiness, sustainable happiness, a fulfilling, meaningful life, regardless of where you are right now, may iwasan mo yung maling decisions, maihahandle mo ng tama yung sarili mo, which also means you will build a better leadership structure which will lead to more success. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. So let's begin. We will now talk about the 3 steps to sustainable happiness. Before we do that, let's define what is happiness, or MJ. So that's life conditions equals blueprint. And the blueprint means your core expectations of what your life should be. So ibig sabihin, if you are a parent, meron kang anak, and your core expectations of life is irerespeto ka ng anak mo kapag nabibigyan mo sila ng pera. Kapag naipoprovide mo lahat ng kailangan nila. Kaya lang, kung ang gusto nila ay time mo, attention mo, at nararamdaman mo hindi sila masaya lagi, regardless of the money you are giving them, still you won't be happy. Tama, mali. If you are a leader, working really hard, supporting your team, supporting people, bigay ka lang ng bigay. Akala natin, pag binigay natin lahat sa kanila, pag pinrovide natin yung kailangan nila with the system, compensation, pagmamahal, attention, and everything, akala natin enough yun para magstay sila. Pero pag maling tao pala yung na-meet mo, hindi sila magstay. Kaya lang, maybe your blueprint, your core expectations, is walang makikwit, walang mawawala, walang maiiwan. So if your life conditions doesn't meet your blueprint, the core expectations of what life should be for you, guess what? Mababurnout ka. Hindi ka magiging masaya. Ito yung problema. If you are always in a negative state, if you are there over and over a period of time, makakapag-build ka ng negative na beliefs. Pag nakapag-build ka ng negative beliefs, baka negative na rin yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Makapag-develop ka rin ng poor self-image which will lead to self-sabotage. That is why a lot of leaders, a lot of entrepreneurs, they fail in life. They fail in business. Kasi nga, hindi nila ma-handle yung emotions nila. But what if there's a process you can follow? A process that I do personally. And guys, sobrang dami ko nang nalampasan na challenges and struggles. And we're not just talking about the results that I have, the money that I have, the businesses that I have right now. Because from pandemic, losing a lot of people, from being really poor to becoming a multi-millionaire, and then losing everything because of betrayals, losing a lot of hair because of depression, being hated in social media pero wala naman ako ibang goal kundi makatulong sa mga tao. We are able to create 40,000 videos already, guys. And right now, I'm really happy. I'm really grateful. I just want to bless the lives of people. At napansin ko ngayon, I am attracting the right people in my life, the right clients, the right leaders, the right connections, and I'm living a meaningful life. And yes, there's a process to this. There's a simple 3-step process you can follow right now na kahit hindi ka pa nakakarating agad sa goals mo, na kahit wala ka pa sa success na gusto mo, pwede kang maging masaya ngayon. And you can use that as fuel for you to move forward faster, make better decisions, para habang nasa journey ka ng success, hindi ka araw-araw miserable. Because your life can be fulfilling. Step number 1, get clarity. Be clear. You have to know exactly what you want. And I perfectly understand sa mga entrepreneurs, sa mga leaders dyan, I want you to look back on how you started doing business. How you started in your career. Meron ba sa inyo na ang gusto mo lang nung una, makapagtayo ng negosyo at mag-grow? Yeah? Meron ba sa inyo na ang gusto mo lang makabili ng kotse? Meron ba sa inyo na ang gusto mo lang makatulong sa magulang mo? Pero minsan hindi natin napapansin na habang tumatagal, masyado nang kalat yung goals natin. Masyado ng kalat yung mga gusto nating makuha. Ang dami mo na masyadong iniisip, ang dami mo na masyadong gusto. Gusto mo na magtayo ng bagong brand, gusto mo magdagdag ng negosyo, gusto mo magdagdag ng produkto, you wanna expand your business in some other ways, you wanna do this, you wanna do that. Hindi malinaw sa'yo yung goals mo ngayon. And then habang walang linaw yung goals nyo, kasi tandaan nyo guys, you will only be pointed towards the right direction if you have a destination. So you have to look at the bigger picture and connect everything. The problem is, eto na, habang nagsaset ka ng napakaraming goals, walang masama doon guys. Kailangan lang may sistema yung pagsaset mo ng goals. Kailangan lang connected siya. Kailangan lang align siya and congruent siya. So habang nagsaset ka ng napakaraming goals, pumapasok na yung iba't ibang problema. Like for example, ang struggle mo ngayon is sales. Pero yung kailangan mo to achieve your goals, pera din. So nagkakaroon ng disconnect, imbes na i-align mo yung goals mo. Na okay, kailangan ko lang pala ng pera. So pag may pera na, mabibili ko yon. You put a lot of conditions kasi hindi klaro sa'yo yung gusto mo ngayon. And you may seem to think na okay ka naman. Na-achieve mo naman yung goals mo. Oo nga. Kaya lang for you to reach the next level success, kailangan mong magkaroon ng clarity ulit. Kasi baka mas klaro ka nung nagsisimula ka. At baka ang gulo-gulo na ng utak mo ngayon, masyado ka ng clouded. Lalo na napakaraming information ang pumapasok sa utak mo ngayon. Kasi ang dami mong pinapanood, ang dami mong pinapakinggan, ang dami mong binabasa. So habang nagsaset ka ng goals towards the vision that you want, maraming problema yung dumadating. And of course, isosolve natin yung problema. Kaya lang, while solving the problem, naliligaw na naman tayo kung saan-saan na pupunta yung direction natin. Instead, now we are moving towards one direction at alam natin, as we move along, automatic masosolve natin yung mga problema. Kasi nga, malinaw. So as an entrepreneur, as a leader, I want you to define what do you really want. I'm gonna give you an example. What I want is to build a legacy that MJ Lopez will be the next Tony Robbins. That MJ Lopez will transform the lives of people. Like millions of people. So I want to help my people through my platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Spotify. I want to help people build the lives that they want through my courses, speaking engagements, coaching, and mentoring. And especially the in-person events. I want to build a legacy na kahit wala na ako sa mundo, marami akong natulungang tao. So it's my vision, it's what I want. And I'm using my platforms to achieve that right now. So since that's what I want, magsiset ako ng mga goals related to that. Like gaano karaming videos yung dapat naming i-upload. Yung quality ng videos na dapat naming i-upload. Which will lead to hiring the right people. Which will lead to the recruitment process. Which will lead to the assets that I have to purchase and buy so that I can provide the needs of my editors. That's in the MJ Lopez Media side. Of course, I want to do more of the things that I love to do. Answering the question, who do you want to become para marating mo yung grandest vision mo? So, sino yung gusto mong maging? So, of course, I have a definition of success now. And it's part of the what. Again, there's a legacy that I'm trying to build. So, gusto kong makatulong sa mga tao, financial freedom, time freedom, fulfillment, health, relationships, and of course, God. I always put God above success kasi sa Kanya naman galing lahat. So, the idea is, I have a definition of success, which is my blueprint. And the blueprint doesn't mean hanggat hindi ka nakakarating doon, hindi maganda yung life conditions mo. No. Blueprint means that if your life conditions is aligned to your blueprint, to what you want to achieve, your grandest vision, your purpose in life, you will be happy kahit wala ka pa sa resulta. Yun ang nakakatuwa dito guys sa tinuturo ko sa inyo. Kasi pwede kang maging masaya kahit wala ka pang resulta. Pero ang daming tao may resulta na hindi pa rin masaya. Just what if yung saya na yan magagamit mo to fuel you to move forward, to push you towards your goals and dreams, and the fulfillment, happiness, and meaning will pull you towards the vision. So that's the push and pull na tinuro ko rin sa inyo last podcast. So I have a who. Sino ba dapat si MJ Lopez? And every time I will make decisions, every time I will take action, I am aligned to the future MJ. Ang laging tanong ko sa sarili ko, ano bang ginagawa ng future MJ ngayon? Yung future MJ na pinapangarap ko, paano siya magsalita? Paano siya maglakad? Paano siya gumalaw? Paano siya mag-decide? Paano siya mag-take ng action? And I'm aligning myself towards that person, the future me. It's because I have clarity. And in order to do more of the things I know I must do, in order to become who I have to become, para makarating ako sa grandest vision ko, magsiset pa rin ako ng goals. Okay. So para mas aligned ako sa higher purpose ko, hindi na ako dapat yung nag-e-edit. Kaya mag-hire ako ng editors. Magdadagdag ako ng tao. Okay. Since kailangan lagi akong nag-grow as a person, I have to spend more time learning. Pumupunta ako sa iba't ibang bansa to learn, especially from my mentor Tony Robbins. Nakikipag-meet ako sa mga high-value people. So yung mga aspects ng negosyo na mahalaga, kailangan makapag-build agad ako ng sistema so that I can focus more on the things I know I must do. So, ang nangyayari, yung decisions ko, hindi na siya kalat. Kasi malinaw sa akin na ito yung mga dapat kong gawin, ito yung mga pagdadaanan ko para mas mabilis kong marating yung vision ko. While staying true to who I am, aligned to my higher purpose, to who I want to become. And tandaan nyo to guys, happiness equals progress. So even if your life conditions now, hindi nagmamatch do sa success na gusto mo, pag malinaw sa'yo, pag klaro sa'yo, na connected yung blueprint mo sa life conditions mo ngayon, na alam mo sa sarili mong tinatrabaho mo, kahit hindi mo agad makita yung resulta, ramdam mo yun eh. Malinaw sa'yo na teka, as long as I am doing this every single day, I am aligned to my higher purpose. And that will lead to sustainable happiness. Tandaan nyo to hindi talaga laging masaya, pero mabilis kang makakapag-shift, and maybe happiness is also peace. Na pag hindi ka talaga masaya, pag mabigat ang nararamdaman mo, kaya mo siyang i-acknowledge at kaya mo pa rin mag-move forward. So be clear. So get clarity. Ask yourself, what do you really want? Who do you want to become? And who do you have to become in order to reach your grandest vision? And of course, number 3, why? Bakit? Para saan ang ginagawa mo? And in my case, I just want to honor God's gift, which is my life. I firmly believe that my life is God's gift. Naregaluhan ako ni Lord ng napakagaling na nanay na kahit iniwang kami ng tatay ko, very strong siya. Naregaluhan ako ni Lord ng napakaraming problema para mag-grow ako as a person. Binigyan ako ni Lord ng mga challenges to build my character. And this is who I am now. At gagamitin ko yung skills ko, yung galing ko, lahat ng meron ako to change the lives of people, to transform the lives of people. And for me, that is how I honor God's gift. Number 2, create a plan and take massive action. So I'm a big believer of creating plans, okay? Kasi guys, kaya tayo hindi nakakapag-take ng action, yung plano nasa utak lang natin. Tandaan nyo, yung utak natin mabilis magbago. Pag nahipan niya ng konti, na-distract yan kung ano-ano, napanood at napakinggan mo, baka magbago yung plano mo. So very important that when you create a plan, isulat mo, ilista mo. And one major thing that you have to remember in creating a plan is this. Perfection is the enemy of good enough. Perfection is the enemy of meaning. Kasi nangyayari, we are trying to make the plan so freaking perfect. Kailangan ang ganda ng plano, kailangan solid yung structure ko. And sometimes, it's our ego speaking. The ego is telling you to have a beautiful plan, to have a perfect plan, yung magandang tingnan. Guys, tandaan nyo to. Walang pakialam ang ibang tao sa plano mo. At hindi mo naman talaga dapat pinapakita at sinasabi at sineshare sa iba yung plano mo. Nag-create ka ng plano para gawin, para aksyonan. The purpose of the plan is to make it more doable. The purpose of the plan is execution. The purpose of writing your plan is eliminating the decision fatigue. So, ang decision fatigue, paggising mo pa lang sa umaga, saan ka pa lang mag-decide. Saan ka pa lang maghahanap ng clarity. Gano'ng katagal yun? If you are a high-level entrepreneur, if you are a leader, alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag wala kang clarity, minsan inaabot ng ilang araw bago ka makapag-take ng action. Tama, mali. Alam mo yan. Sa sobrang dami ng kailangan mong gawin, sa sobrang dami ng kailangan mong desisyonan, sa sobrang dami ng problema, hindi mo na alam ang gagawin. So, ang decision fatigue, pag gising mo sa umaga, saka ka pa lang magde-decide. Iisipin mo pa lang yung gusto mo, yung destination mo. Tapos, madidistract ka pa sa social media. And then you will overthink. When you overthink, you will be emotional. When you are emotional, hindi ka okay, baka ikumpara mo na yung sarili mo sa ibang tao, you will be in a negative state, hindi ka rin makakapag-take ng action. So, it's the mind, heart, and body. And what will happen next? Sabihin na lang natin na tanghali, nakapag-decide ka na. Alam mo na yung destination mo. Saka ka pa lang magkikreate ng plano. By the time na natapos mo na yung plano, hapon na, gabi na, wala ka ng willpower, wala ka ng energy. And you know yourself na ang mahalaga is taking massive action. As you move forward, di ba may rejections? Pag nagbebenta ka ng products, may rejections. Pag nagkakreate ka ng content, hindi na-meet yung expectations mo na engagements, views, comments. Pag nagbebenta ka ng product, hindi lahat bibili. Basically, when you take action, hindi magiging perfect agad yung execution. So you will not create the results right away. Which means that it's very important that you have energy. It's very important that you have willpower. Because you will be facing challenges and struggles as you move along. As you take massive action. So, ang purpose ng plano, madali mo siyang ma-execute. And for you to build sustainable happiness in your life, a fulfilling and meaningful life, very important yung step number 3, which is be consistent and improve your execution. So, ang gagawin mo dito, just follow the plan. And the keyword here is follow. And as you follow the plan, you have to be consistent and make it a habit. It's because if you do things over and over a period of time, magiging habit mo siya. Makakasanayan mo siya. Pag sanay ka na, pag yung plano kaya nang gawin ng katawan mo better than your mind, hindi ka na nag-overthink, hindi ka na masyadong emotional, now you have the space to improve your execution. And the keyword here is improve. Follow, habit, and improve, which will lead to growth as a person. Because as you take massive action, tandaan nyo to you will build confidence. The confidence that you can follow a plan. The confidence that you can keep your word. The confidence na responsable ka, na mindful ka, na alam mo sa sarili mong nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin, kaya mong gawin, pwede mong gawin. Just imagine, just for 1 whole year, gagawin mo lang yung mga bagay na alam mong dapat mong gawin, alam mong kaya mong gawin, alam mong pwede mong gawin, alam mong makakatulong sa'yo. Just do it every single day. Just imagine the results, guys. Just imagine the possibilities. Maliban sa baka makuha mo yung resultang gusto mo, tataas pa yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Makakapag-build ka ng belief, makakapag-build ka ng better self-image, makakapag-build ka ng confidence. It's because confidence equals competence. If you are competent, if you have evidences that you know how to follow a plan, if you have evidences that you can, and mind you, balik tayo sa step 1, connected ka sa higher purpose mo. Malinaw sa'yo yung gusto mo. Hindi kalat-kalat yung decisions mo. If you will follow this 3-step process, you will be able to build a new self-image. And as you take massive action, the self-image, your life conditions now, will be equal your blueprint. Kasi kahit hindi ka pa nakakarating sa pinaka-goal mo, sa success na gusto mo, para maging successful ka, you have to know how to align the life conditions and your blueprint. Your core expectations of what life should be. So, dalawa tinatrabaho mo. Yung buhay mo ngayon at yung future na gusto mo. So, what we wanna do here is to build the future that we want, craft the future that we want, and that will be our core expectations. That will be the blueprint. Pag malinaw na siya, pag klaro ka na, that's that time to work on your current life conditions. And this right here, the formula I shared with you, is how you build sustainable happiness. Now, if you are getting a lot of value from this, what I shared with you is actually day 14 in Success Blueprint. It's happiness and integrations. This is just one lesson in my course. Maliban sa nakakapag-create sila ng resulta, they are building a better self-image. They now have a well-rounded will of life. Kasi tandaan nyo, success is beyond the money. Money is just a little part of success. Marami pang aspect yung success. And a lot of people don't understand that all the other aspects of success will affect your money at some point, will affect your energy, will affect your financial freedom. And Success Blueprint will give you clarity. If you are really committed to build sustainable happiness, I invite you to enroll right now. We're gonna put the links in some cards in the description and in the comment section. And if you are lucky right now, as you watch this video, there's a huge chance baka meron pa rin tayong special one-time offer. Ano yon? You can get early access to a high-level program called Self-Mastery. And Self-Mastery is something that I've been teaching people from millionaires to multi-millionaires. We're not just talking about millions of sales. We're talking about hundreds of millions of sales. I'm serving a company now, and our goal is from 150 million to billions of sales. Way back 2020, 2021, naituro ko rin to sa ilang sales agents. And last year, they are able to produce 747 million sales. At 3 lang silang naturuan ko. So just imagine the possibilities. This is a premium course na ginagamit ko hanggang ngayon. This is 18 years of my life, guys. And remember that self-mastery is a masterpiece. So the special offer is you only have to pay for self-mastery, which is 19,997. And you will get Success Blueprint and Powerful Skills for free. And that's around 12,000 peso value. You will get mastermind sessions. You will get a lot of bonuses. As in, sobrang daming bonuses. But I'm not gonna discuss the bonuses kasi ayokong mag-invest kayo sa sarili nyo just for the bonuses. I want you to invest in yourself because you are committed to transform your life. So again, it's mjlopez.ph/SBC. Grab the special one-time offer if it's still available for you. And just remember that all I want is for you to become more successful and for you to reach the next level success. Again, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you in Self Mastery.